The new school year is almost here, and with it comes a wave of excitement, anticipation, and the promise of a fresh start. Whether you're stepping into a brand new school or returning to familiar hallways, this is a time to embrace new opportunities and set positive intentions for the months ahead. It's a chance to reconnect with friends you may not have seen all summer, to share stories, laughter, and maybe even a few nerves about what's to come. You'll get to meet new classmates, discover new teachers, and dive into subjects that spark your curiosity. As you prepare for these new experiences, remember that how you present yourself can help set the tone for your day. A little makeup can be a fun, creative way to express your personality and help you feel put together, even on those early mornings. We're not talking about heavy makeup or dramatic changes, just a simple, natural look that enhances your features and lets your true self shine through. It's about feeling comfortable and confident in your own skin. A natural routine is quick, comfortable, and perfect for busy school mornings. It doesn't take much time, but it can make a big difference in how you feel as you head out the door. Just a few easy steps can boost your confidence and help you start the day with a smile. When you feel good about yourself, it shows. Your confidence grows, and your unique personality shines even brighter, making it easier to connect with others and take on new challenges. Think of makeup as a form of self-care, a few moments each morning just for you. It's a chance to slow down, breathe, and set a positive tone for the day ahead. Enjoy the process and let it be something that makes you feel happy and ready to take on anything. Let's walk through a simple, fresh-faced look together. We'll start by prepping your skin, making sure it's clean and moisturized so your makeup goes on smoothly and feels comfortable all day long. Then we'll add just a touch of color, a swipe of lip balm to keep your lips soft and hydrated, and maybe a hint of blush or mascara if you like. This is your guide to a back-to-school glow. It's not about changing who you are, but about celebrating your individuality and feeling your best as you step into a new year. Feeling prepared isn't just about having your backpack organized or your supplies ready. It's also about taking care of yourself, inside and out. When you feel good, you're ready to face whatever the school year brings. This routine is your morning ritual, a special moment to focus on yourself before the busy day begins. It's a small act of self-love that can make a big impact on your mood and mindset. Let's create a look that's as bright and promising as the new school year itself. With just a few simple steps, you'll be ready to greet each day with confidence and positivity. So let's get started and make this school year your best one yet. You've got this. Before you even think about picking up your makeup brushes, let's take a moment to focus on skincare. This is the most important step, and it's often overlooked. Think of your skin as the canvas for your makeup. When it's healthy and well prepped, everything you apply on top looks better and lasts longer. Healthy, glowing skin is truly the foundation for beautiful makeup. When your skin is cared for, your makeup will look more natural, sit better, and stay put throughout the day. A simple morning routine can make a huge difference, even if you're short on time. You don't need a dozen products, just a few key steps to keep your skin happy and balanced. Start by washing your face with a gentle cleanser. This removes dirt, oil, and any leftover products from the night before, giving you a fresh start. After cleansing, gently pat your skin dry with a soft towel. Avoid rubbing, as this can irritate your skin and cause redness. Next, apply a moisturizer. Moisturizer is crucial for all skin types, even if your skin is oily or acne-prone. It helps lock in hydration and keeps your skin barrier healthy. Moisturizer keeps your skin soft, smooth, and comfortable, creating the perfect base for makeup application. It also helps prevent dry patches and flakiness. If you have oily or combination skin, look for a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer. These formulas hydrate without making your skin feel greasy or heavy. Give your moisturizer a minute or two to fully absorb before moving on to the next step. This helps your skin feel comfortable and prevents pilling when you apply makeup. Now, sunscreen is non-negotiable, even on cloudy days or if you're staying indoors. UV rays can still reach your skin and cause damage. Sunscreen protects your skin from harmful rays that can cause premature aging, dark spots, and even skin cancer. It's the best anti-aging product you can use. Many moisturizers now include SPF, making it easy to combine steps and save time in your routine. Just make sure you're using enough to get full protection. Apply sunscreen every single morning, even if you're not planning to go outside much. Consistency is key for healthy, youthful skin. This simple skincare routine sets the stage for a natural, radiant look and helps your makeup shine. Remember, great makeup always starts with great skin. With your skin prepped, let's add light coverage. Tinted moisturizers or BB creams are perfect for school. They even out skin tone while letting your natural beauty shine. Use your fingertips to apply for a natural finish. Blend it outwards, down your jawline, and onto your neck. Use concealer sparingly for blemishes or under-eye darkness. Choose a concealer that matches your skin tone. Tap and blend with your ring finger for a gentle touch. Remember, less is more for a natural look. Now, let's add color and glow to your face. Cream blush gives a natural flush and is easy to apply. Smile to find the apples of your cheeks, then blend upwards. A touch of highlighter adds a dewy glow. Apply to the high points of your face for a natural sheen. Use your finger to blend for a seamless finish. This simple touch makes your skin look luminous and healthy. Eyebrows frame your face, so let's enhance them. A clear or tinted brow gel keeps them neat and defined. Brush the gel through your brows for a polished look. For lashes, a coat of mascara opens up your eyes. Choose black or brown for a natural effect. Wiggle the wand at the base, then pull through to the tips. One coat is enough for definition without clumps. If you smudge, let it dry and gently flake it off. Complete the look with a simple lip product. A lip balm, tinted balm, or sheer gloss is perfect for school. They add color and keep lips hydrated. A clear balm is low maintenance and prevents chapping. Tinted balms offer a subtle wash of color. Sheer gloss adds shine without stickiness. Choose what makes you feel comfortable and confident. We've created a simple, natural makeup look that's easy to follow and perfect for any day. This look is designed to enhance your features, not cover them up, and to help you feel comfortable and confident in your own skin. Whether you're new to makeup or have been experimenting for a while, remember that there's no right or wrong way to do it. Remember, this is your look. Customize it to suit you. You can make it as minimal or as bold as you want. Maybe you like a little shimmer, or maybe you prefer a matte finish. The choice is always yours, and that's what makes makeup so much fun. Add a touch of eyeshadow to brighten your eyes, or play with different colors to match your mood or outfit. Don't be afraid to experiment. Sometimes the best looks come from trying something new, or go for a bolder lip if you like. Lip color can completely change your vibe, from soft and natural to bright and playful. Try out different shades to see what makes you feel your best. Makeup is about self-expression and confidence. You can skip steps that don't feel right for you, or add your favorite products to make the routine your own. There's no pressure to follow every trend, just do what feels good. Maybe you love mascara, or maybe you prefer a fresh face with just a bit of blush. It's your routine, so make it work for your lifestyle and your personality. Makeup enhances your unique features, not hides them. It's a way to celebrate what makes you, you. Highlight your cheekbones, accentuate your eyes, or just add a little glow, whatever makes you smile when you look in the mirror. Think of makeup as a fun accessory, like a favorite pair of earrings or a cool hat. It's something you can put on or take off whenever you want, and it's all about expressing your style. Wear your confidence, whether with makeup or without. You're amazing just as you are, and makeup is just one way to show off your personality to the world. Focus on your classes, enjoy your friends, and let your true self shine through every day. School is about learning, growing, and having fun. Makeup is just a small part of your big adventure. This routine is a tool to help you feel polished and prepared, but remember, you don't need it to be your best self. Use it when you want, skip it when you don't. You bring the real magic to every room you enter. Your energy, your kindness, and your creativity are what truly make you shine. Have an amazing school year, and remember, makeup is for you, and you get to decide how you want to use it.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow. create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.